Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The motto of today's video is to learn about the adding references method in Endnote. Previously we had studied how we can insert citation and how can we search online articles. Now we are going to learn about how can we add references manually. And then we will learn about how can we import references by two different methods, from the Google Scholar and second one will be the Science Direct. So firstly we are going to learn about how can we add references manually in Endnote Software. For that, firstly we have to go in our Endnote library. In this we can work through the icons. On this bar we can see the view references, online search, import, export, full text, open link, and here are several ones. Here we can see the insert citation. We can also insert the citation through this icon. And for today we are going to insert references. By clicking on new reference, we can add references manually. And the second one is by clicking on references, then selecting the new reference, we can also insert our references here. Firstly, we should have to know that why we do such things in the Endnote software while we add manually references in the Endnote. So for that, I would like to say that if we are learning some articles which are not published but we want to mention it in our article, we would like to insert that reference in our article so we can add reference. We add new references because if we have the printed version of any article which are not published yet, the articles which are not published yet but we have the printed version of that article and we are interested into mentioning the reference of that article, so we can see it. For that, firstly we have to add its author name, year, title, journal, volume, issue, pages, and from here drop down we can select the category of our article, whatever we have, that from which criteria we are going to insert that. So you can select it, and we have to insert the at least 3 authors of that printed version of the article which we have. For example, I just mentioned here the 3 names of the author, the year, title, I have given here the title. For example, if we have the printed version of the article in which the title is given, so as it is mentioned in the title, we should have to give it in that manner. We cannot change it. If the first name of the author is this, we should have to type like this. If the second name is this, third name is this, accordingly whatever the criteria is present on that printed version of the article, we should have to mention it. From which journal it is, we should have to give the name of it. If there is the author which is not present in our Endnote library, so it will indicate us with a red color, and if it is present in our Endnote library, then it will indicate us with a black color. So it is the indication. So we should have to put to all the categories which are present in our published article, which we have the published version of the article, we should have to mention it accordingly. first thing first, and if it is in capital, we should have to mention it in capital, and the spelling should have to be correct. So after putting these categories, we have to close by this small close button. Here it will ask that we would like to save it or not. So yes, we want to save it. So now here you can see it is mentioned. It is the way by which we can add references manually. Now let's come towards the import references from the Google Scholar and the Science Web. Basically, we import references if we do not find the article from the PubMed LLM and we had studied it from another site and we would like to reference it. So we should have to import that reference. So firstly, for the Google Scholar, we should have to do some changes. If we have the account, so it is okay. If we doesn't have any account, so we have to do some changes. So firstly, we have to type here scholar.google.com. Now here we have to do some changes. Firstly, I would like to show you by an example. Like for example, if I click it, so here is no any mention of import into the end. Here is no any tab for importing the message to the end. So for that, firstly we have to do changes in the setting. Firstly we have to go towards the setting, and here we can see different tabs. Firstly we have to go towards Bibliography Manager, and here show links to import citation to. From the drop down you can select here Endnote. Here are different categories too, but we are working on the Endnote, so we will select it and we have to save these changes. Now here we can write accordingly. So like we are working on the dash, so I can type here hypertension diet. Now here the tab is activated as import into the Endnote. So if we are interested in this article, we can just click it. And here in the Endnote Software, automatically a tab created by the name of the imported references. If we are interested in this one, we can just select it. And here is another. Previously it was 60. Now 60. Another. If we are interested in this one, we just click it. So here you see the number of 60. Okay. So this is the way by which we can import our references from the Google Scholar. Second one, from the Science Web. For example, if we are reading any article online and we like that article and we want to reference it into the Endnote. For example, here I type the hypertension diet research articles from the Science Web. From here I open two articles, this one and this. Here you can see we have two articles of the Science Web. And now what we have to do, how can we import these articles into the Endnote Software? So here we can see different tabs. Download PDF, share and export. We have to click on the export. Here are different categories for the exportation. So we have to click the export citation to RIS. After clicking on this, we see here it will start to download. Now we have to just click on this. by just clicking on this, we can see that recently we had imported single article. Previously it was 62, now it becomes 63. Here we can see its preview. Here is another example from export citation to paragraphs. Firstly, I would like to show 63. Now we are going to export it into the Endnote. So we just click on the export to paragraph. Now here it will be started to download. Now we just have to click it. Here it is. Previously it was 63, now it becomes 64. So like this, we can import citation in the Endnote software. These were the simple steps by which we can work on the Endnote software. Here is just a tip. If we are not assured that we had to install our Endnote software properly or not, so here is the tip that if we had installed our Endnote software properly, then in the Word you can see here the tab of the Endnote X7, X5 or whatever the version you have. You can see here the Endnote tab. We can confirm ourselves that installation is perfectly done. So that's it for today, all about the Endnote software. Thank you.